This one is one of your favorite. And this is very popular. Do you have more stickers? Of course I do. Today I show the new things. And guys, let's just keep tapping. Tap, tap, tap. Our Nazca was 20k likes. Thank you. Wait. It's a little bit blurry. No. But you know why this curtain is transparent? You know why? To keep the mosquito out. That's why. And it shows us the inside. You love my nails? Yup, they're new. Gorgeous, right? And by the way, if you want me to fix anything, just let me know, guys. I love how fast you are. Thank you. How we can go up to the bed just by this ladder. See? And then something missing. You see here? You're dancing? Okay. Nope. Not that perf. Don't make me mad, huh? Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. We've got this. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. All right. We did it. 20k. Kiss, kiss. Thank you, my love. Love you. And then the next thing is how about the next thing you think? Should I do apartment or bedroom? I'm gonna listen to you. Apartment, right? apartment is the most, and I think more guys say apartment. Okay. No problem. You never see dogs? I'll do dogs later. The puppy's cottage. I do hundreds of things tonight, guys. No worry. And I just need your likes. Thank you. Thanks for supporting. We are almost down. And the next thing is apartment. And today we have the new 200k likes for the new, guys. Do you keep them while? Yep, I do. See? And now I'll show you the reference. Just tell me what's the differences between them.